Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Jay's Garage. Today we are testing my 2014 Ram 1500. This truck is a crew cab Outdoorsman. It has the Hemi 5.7 liter with 8-speed transmission, 392 gears, limited slip rear end. I am running a 34-inch by 11-inch tire on this truck. It's a 275/65 R20. The reason I'm sharing this video today is because I want to check and see if this truck is able to perform about like they do new with 100,000 miles on the clock and about 7 or 8 years of age. I haven't even changed the plugs on this truck yet, the spark plugs that is. I'm going to be doing that probably pretty soon here. But this is a bone stock truck, and other than the slightly larger tires, they're Falcon AT3W all-terrains. So they're not really doing me any favors for 0 to 60, but we're going to go ahead and test it anyways. Today I'm using a draggy to reinforce the results, and I do want to note that the truck does currently have a speedometer error thanks to the fact that it originally came on much smaller tires with the 17-inch wheels, and I originally had this corrected with a Diablo tuner that later, after a dealer update of the computer on my truck, had made the Diablo tuner incompatible with my vehicle. So I did this test with traction control on. I tried a few times with it off and on, and it really doesn't give me any advantage allowing the tires to slip with this particular truck. Any real tire spin just reduced the speeds. Anytime I spun the tires, I was losing anywhere from like a half second to 3/4 of a second. So let's go ahead and check out those results. Alright guys, so what did you think? A nice 6.72 seconds 0 to 60. That seems to be about on with what auto reviewers were getting with this truck back in 2014 when they were testing it brand new. I think the power on this truck has held up strong. 100,000 miles isn't a terrible amount of miles, but considering I haven't even changed the spark plugs on this truck yet, and all I do is just standard maintenance, it's just nice to know that the performance is holding up, especially considering I do have a tire that's not benefiting me 0 to 60. So I'm pretty content with the performance of this truck, being that it's a stock truck, crew cab. I mean, I have a bunch of stuff for the kids and stuff in here. Like, I didn't do anything to help this out. So pretty content with the results. As far as I'm concerned, the Hemi with the 8-speed is a very lively powertrain. It really is super adequate. I've never felt like this truck didn't have enough power. Would it be nice if it made more power? Absolutely. I'm always willing to take more power, but this powertrain doesn't leave me feeling like it's just a dog or anything like that. The 8-speed was really a significant change for the Rams. Before that, their transmissions were really limiting the power delivery, because even when they had the 6-speed, the way the ratios were and everything on that truck, that 6-speed was really closer to like a 4 or 5-speed. It was never a true 6-speed like GM and Ford had, or Toyota, for instance. So the 8-speed made a big difference, and we're going to do some more testing in the future. We'll do some different roll pulls and stuff like that. The 8-speed does a really good job of just allowing this truck to consistently pull almost from any speed. It feels like the truck just pulls consistently all the way to like 80, even 100. And it delivers plenty when it comes to passing, and anytime you need the power. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Tell me what you guys thought of the performance of this truck, considering its age and miles, in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from Jay's Garage, hit subscribe. And until the next video, guys, I'll see you around. Hey, it's me.